What up guys, Crypto Ether here, back at it again with another crypto video. As always, I never give financial advice. Always do your own research. We live in a super volatile crypto market, so never invest more than you're willing to lose. But that being said, huge Bitcoin update guys. We got a huge article from Bitcoin Magazine, right? So the title reads, Grayscale CEO foresees spot Bitcoin ETFs unlocking $30 trillion worth of advised wealth, right? So this is from Michael Sonnenschein, discussed on CNBC the significance of introducing a spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States. So in my previous Bitcoin videos guys, I did state that, you know, Michael Saylor was saying that we're gonna see $1 million Bitcoin, and honestly guys, this kind of just backpacks on top of that, right? Basically we are about to see all these ETFs, which I explained in previous videos as well. And as we see the new introduction of all these Bitcoin ETFs, we're going to see a lot of money unlocked, as you could say, or utilized. I keep reiterating that Bitcoin has still yet to see a lot of the potential GDP that it will have in the future, like the percentage of, right? There's meaning that there's still a lot of people that are yet to invest their money into Bitcoin. That goes to the general public, as well as big financial institutions, right? So we still have a lot of potential here, but let's go ahead and dive a little bit farther down into this article, and I'll explain a little bit farther, right? So in an appearance on CNBC today, the CEO of Grayscale Investments, Michael Sonnenschein, shared insights regarding the potential impact of a spot Bitcoin exchange traded fund, or ETF, on the cryptocurrency market. Sonnenschein highlighted that a spot Bitcoin ETF could unlock around $30 trillion worth of advised wealth, right? So Sonnenschein also discussed that significance of introducing a spot Bitcoin ETF in the United States, emphasizing the vast pool of wealth held within the advised assets and the substantial opportunity a regulated Bitcoin ETF could present to tap into these resources. When we look ahead to the hopeful approval for spot Bitcoin ETFs, it's really going to unlock the opportunity to a part of the investment community that, for better or for worse, has been locked out of the opportunity to participate in having Bitcoin exposure in their portfolio, Sonnenschein said. We're really thinking about the advised market here in the US, which is today about $30 trillion worth of advised wealth that we hope in the approval of spot Bitcoin ETFs. The uplisting of GPTC will allow for that opportunity and for those investors to partake in it as well. So basically guys, they're just saying that when these ETFs start coming into play, we're just going to see a ton more money invested into Bitcoin, right? A lot of people that are not invested into Bitcoin are going to invest because of these ETFs, essentially. So let's just keep going here. According to Sonnenschein, the introduction of a spot Bitcoin ETF would open the doors for financial advisors and institutional investors to participate in the Bitcoin market more seamlessly. This influx of institutional capital into the market could be substantial, representing a significant step towards mainstream institutional adoption and recognition of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. As discussions around approving a spot coin ETF persist within regulatory circles, Sonnenschein's comments add weight to the potential impact such as an ETF could have on the broader financial landscape. The unlocking of vast advised wealth, as envisioned by Sonnenschein, might significantly alter the dynamics of Bitcoin's market participation and pave the way for increased institutional involvement in the space. So guys, like, this is the big percentage of the GDP that I am talking about. There's obviously the general public part, but there's definitely the institutional part, and there's a lot of money floating there that has yet to be invested, guys, and we're going to see huge waves of that pour in before the general public gets in, right? That's just usually the way it works, guys. You know, so you're gonna see a lot of these institutions fighting over Bitcoin, I'm sure, here in the near future. And yeah, it's just gonna be cool to see. I'm definitely gonna keep covering it here on the channel, guys. Let me know if you guys think Bitcoin could hit $1 million next year. Do you guys think that's out of the question? Is it possible at all? You know, just let me know what you guys think, I should say, in the comments. I like to respond to all of you guys. But again, if you enjoyed the video, smash that like button, and also feel free to subscribe to the channel. It's Crypto Ether, and I am out of here, guys. Peace.